So as I told you, this is the only bearish and bullish confirmations you will ever needed in order to make sure you have the most expensive trading setup, trading the boom and crash market. And I told you this time around you can confidently use our magic bomb spike strategy in order to trade ticks. This is the only bearish confirmation setup you need in order to make sure you get your ticks very well, and I will explain every details in this video. So let's dive in now. As I said, this is Forex Gold Trading Channel. So in today's video, I'm going to give you the new updated version of our boom and crash magic bomb spike strategy, which is a special boom and crash strategy that is used to catch spike consistently trading the boom and crash market. So let's dive in now. So this is the latest version of our boom and crash magic bomb spike strategy. For those that have the strategy, you can be able to see what we have updated and we have changed if you downloaded the complete versions of this new month on our website. So this strategy is purely based on pure price action and also trend following. So if you want this strategy, kindly DM me. We'll be able to sort that out, or you can be able to check our website and you can be able to access it directly from our website. So now I want you to understand something. What I want you to understand, anytime you want to either catch spike or you want to trade the ticks, these are the only confirmations you need. For bullish price action confirmations, this is what you need. You want a market to start trading in a downtrend and all of a sudden market create what we call break of structure or change of character. You see, this is a confirmed change of character, and immediately market change character, you are not going to enter, you'll wait. What will you wait? You will wait for market to tap into this our previous demand zone, which is the demand zone that will take the market off higher. That is for bullish price action confirmation. And let me show you for bearish price action confirmation. So this is for what? This is for bearish price action confirmation. You can see market has been trending up higher, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher high. What happened? Market just changed character or break structure to the downside. You see, market break previous swing low. And what happened? We are not going to enter. We'll wait. Why will we wait? We'll wait for market to tap into this demand zone and we'll target our market downward lower. This is the only pure price action pattern you need to confirm in any view from the chart, either using the 5 minutes time frame or using the 10 minutes time frame or using the 15-minute time frame. It depends on any form of time frame you want to use. All I want you to understand is that make sure you are understanding the main correct pattern and you are understanding the rules and regulations given by this pattern, and you should be able to make money consistently using our boom and crash magic bomb spike strategy. And let me show you now. If you look at this till now, the major reason why you need to rely on these confirmations is, number one, it takes more win trades, because whenever you wait for market to break structure, retest the previous demand zone that created the break of that structure, you should be able to hit this kind of candles heading off higher. That is exactly what happened here. Look at it. Market has been trending downward. What happened? This first candle changed character and break structure to the upside. And what happened? We are not going to enter then. We'll wait. Why will we wait for market to come and tap into this previous demand zone? And what happened? Market push up the price higher. So if you are using this kind of entry, if you are using this kind of strategy, this is the best way to trade in 2025. I repeat, this is the best way to trade in 2025. This is the most experienced setup. This is the most reasonable setup. This is the most perfect entry for anybody that is looking to grab the opportunity from the market and make sure he made consistent money or consistent profit trading the boom and crash market. And why this setup is very nice, number one, it easily avoid losses, because whenever price come and tap into this our demand zone, we will place our stop loss below the demand zone level. I will target the next high. I will show you in the chart now. That is the only thing you need. I repeat, this is a pure price action spike catching strategy. And the next thing you need to consider is whenever you are using this strategy, it increase reward / risk ratio. That means your risk to reward ratio will always increase. Like in the case of here, if you put your stop loss below this candle, you will notice that you will have at least 1:5, 1:6, 1:7 risk to reward trading the boom and crash market. The reason why I try to adopt this system of bearish confirmations and bullish confirmations, a lot of traders has asked me, please sir, I want to be trading ticks with the strategy, and they have bought the strategy, they have access to the strategy. I should not see reason why they should not, but the reason why me personally I don't trade ticks, I am 100% trading spike. As I repeat, I only buy boom and sell crash. But with this new updated version of the strategy, you can be able to buy boom and sell boom, to sell crash and buy crash. That is the update I want you to understand. We have a new order. And another thing, it creates success in your trading. Whenever you are relying on this kind of trading setup, it will always give you what you want from the market. So now let me check the bearish confirmations on the chart. Let me even start giving you the bearish confirmations on the chart on Boom 1000, so that you'll be able to see how I'm going to spot this kind of setup on Boom 1000 index. So let me give you the update now. So now, if you look at it, this is 5-minute chart. This is this updated version of the strategy. This is 5-minute chart. So now, what I want to understand is that if you look at this market now, what this market is doing is trading higher highs, higher lows, higher high. Look at it. Higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs. Instead of market to continue higher low and continue the higher highs again, what happened? Look at it. What happened? Just imagine. Market broke to the downside. You see, market broke to the downside. Look at it. Market broke to the downside. Market has crosses this black line, the red line, and even these blue dashed lines. Market has started trading below it. Then we will wait. Why are we going to wait? Because we need a price action confirmation to go and activate our order in this supply zone. And that is exactly what we are saying. And look at it. After this thing happened, what happened? Price go back off and even start trading up higher and go back into this supply zone and tap our order block. The simplest and easiest way is that whenever you see this kind of confirmation setup, just come to this area and place your sell limit order. You only need to place your sell limit order there and wait for price action to come and tap into that zone. And whenever price tap into that zone, what happened to the market? Look at it. It continued the trend downward. You see, it continued the trend. This is the current state of Boom 1000 index right now. Look at this is what is happening. You see? So as I told you, somebody that enter from here, you should be conveniently and confidently trading your ticks. But I also want you to get a confirmation from this window indicator one and get the confirmation from the second window indicator. This is a premium strategy, so I'm not allowed to release all the details of this strategy except to those that subscribe to the strategy. So that for those that have the new updated version, or for those that don't have the new updated version, please kindly DM me, or you can check our website in the description of this video so that I can be able to go and download the full updated version for this Ramadan, because I have updated the strategy earlier last month. Then this is the new updated version of this strategy this month. So that is what I can see. This is for what? This is for trading ticks. You see, market has been trading downward. So somebody that entered from here, market has reached up to this level. This is over 600 to 800 pips target selling boom. Conveniently selling boom. You don't have to be fear of spike. As far as you have gotten this confirmation entry I told you, as far as you see market trading upward, and then price break structure to the downside or change character and price go back up into this demand zone or supply zone. Sorry, this is a supply zone. This is a supply zone because it's upside down. The market enter into this supply zone, then look at what happened. Market continue to trade downwards. That is what I want to understand, and that is how you should trade, and that is how you should be able to trade the Boom 1000 index and Crash 1000 index using our awesome Boom and Crash magic bomb spike strategy. That is the new update for this awesome Boom and Crash magic bomb spike strategy. Also, for those that are only catching spike, for those that are catching spike, this is what you need. Market has traded higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low in a downtrend. But what happened? Market create another higher high. And market come back to create higher low into this particular demand zone. And that is why your entry trigger is. Anything you do, simple. Whenever you see price create another higher high in a downtrend, just go and mark that demand zone and put your buy limit order here. Whenever price go and tap into buy limit order, there is a serious confirmation that that market will definitely go off higher. That is what you need to understand. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel. Please, if you are finding any value on this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, like this video, share this video to your loved ones so that you can be able to cash the fifth together. So the easiest way and the simplest way to make money this 2025 is to understand the simple reversal market structure by this awesome boom and crash magic bomb spike strategy. All you need is a market trading in the downtrend, then all of a sudden market start to trend in an uptrend by creating a higher high, and you'll mark your zone as the higher low. And whenever price go and tap into that higher low, you have gotten your confirmations and you'll execute your trade, and you should be able to have a very high risk to reward using this awesome price action trading strategy. And let me give you the live chart example for this awesome strategy on Crash 1000, so that you should be able to understand that market can always give you what you want trading the boom and crash market. So if you are catching spike, this is what you see. Look at it here. Market has been, look at it here. Market has been trading downward. What happened? All of a sudden, market broke to the upside. You see here, this is the higher low. Market broke to the upside. And what happened? Market come back into this area and tap into this zone. Immediately price action tap into that zone. See what happened to the market. You see, market had come back to start trading over, start to pump higher highs, higher lows. And what happened? You see, another higher highs, higher low confirmations, higher highs, higher low formation. That is how to trade, and that is how to get a very nice confirmations, and that is how to get exactly what you want from the market. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel, and I'm very sure, and I can confidently tell you, if you try to understand how are you going to, and look at it, what happened here when market start to continue its trend. What happened? Market failed to continue this uptrend. Rather, market tried to break the market price down, and immediately price broke down. We go up here, mark our supply zone, and wait for the market to enter into this our supply zone, and we take our sell and activate our sell limit order here. That is when the market will be able to come down the price and bring the price downward, trading the boom and crash market. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel, and that is the new updated version of this awesome boom and crash spike catching strategy. And the same thing apply to Crash 1000. Let me show you the best thing. And also I want to tell you something. The best entry trigger for this strategy is to trade it with 5 minutes time frame. This new version of the strategy, even though you want to scalp, as far as I'm concerned, the best way to scalp it is to scalp using the 5 minutes time frame, because with the 5 minutes time frame, you should be able to have what you want from the market. You should be able to get exactly the kind of object and also the kind of view you want to have from the market. I want to show you this chart for Crash 1000. That is why I'm trying to, excuse me, network. There's network problem here. I need to sort out. This is it. So this is 15-minute chart. Look at it. This is it. This is Crash 1000. This is Crash 1000. So the same thing apply. If you are looking for a sell confirmation on Crash 1000, you need to see market start to trade upward, higher, creating higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher. But what happened? Market refused to continue this uptrend with another higher high. Rather, price broke down into this range. That is what happened. And immediately price broke down into this range. See what happened here. Market come down here, go back again, come down here, go back again, in order to continue this downtrend. That is the exact confirmation, and that is the only thing you need from this strategy. And that is why you should be able to make good money trading the boom and crash using this awesome boom and crash magic bomb spike catching strategy. Also, you need to understand, if you are trying to trade the ticks, this is what will happen. This is another setup for ticks. You see, price have been trading higher, lower, low, higher, low, lower, low, higher, low, lower, low. But what happened? Market create another higher high here. In order to tell you that that's whenever you see price action, you create a higher high in an uptrend, that is a significant sign of reversal. And whenever price action create a higher low in an uptrend, that is a significant form of bearish price action reversal. And what happened? Immediately market continued to trade up this higher. You see it here. Market tried to trade up this higher. After market broke up this high, you see market come back into this zone to tap this area. And what you should be able to see, if you have the strategy and you have the complete settings and you have the observation, you should be able to understand that whenever market head in the direction that is supposed to go, this black line, this red line, this short dash line will be supporting price upward higher. And you can see this is crash 1000, but you can be able to trade crash 1000 from this point up to this point, trading ticks only. That is how to trade. That is how to catch fight. That is how to make money using this awesome boom and crash magic bomb spike catching strategy. So nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.